Guys, it's
Hi,
Risa and my
Shira.
beautiful niece Shira here, and we are super excited. Why are we super excited?
Because we got Built Bars!
Built Bars! Woo! Wait, this way. Built Bars. Okay, guys, we are so excited, okay, because they are super duper
amazingly delicious.
And nutritious. Right. Now, Shira's going to tell you a little bit about the ingredient, well, not the ingredients, but the nutritional information. Okay?
All right, guys. So, we purchased our first package of mixed Built Bars, okay? So, the mixed Built Bars are the sample package, and it comes with a bunch of different flavors. Each bar has 15 grams of protein, if you can see it here.
Yeah, 15
grams of protein.
Perfect.
110 calories, 6 grams of fiber, and only 5 grams of net carbs. Holy moly!
And the greatest thing is that we've realized is that when you put them in the freezer, they're even better. Like, they're really good, they're chewy. They're marshmallowy, but when you keep them in the freezer, they're going to last a lot longer. And I like things that take longer to eat.
Oh, yeah, and they're delicious. You just need a small piece.
We're in love with them, and we're ordering more. The other great thing, Shira, is that if they use my code RISA, R-I-S-A, they get 10% off.
It's fantastic.
The other thing is the more you order, the cheaper it is, okay?
And also, sometimes they have promotions where you get free bars.
That's right.
So order 2 boxes right now and get 6 free blueberry cheesecake, and we're ordering some, so we're so excited to try them.
Yay! So it depends when you're watching this, people, because it could be in a while from now, but there's always promotions, so always check, okay? So Built Bars. So we have, you can see I've already eaten them, but there's mint. There is, what's this one? The banana.
It's okay.
The orange. We're going to try the orange again.
So good.
If you're a chocolate orange lover. And you know what? I don't know. I was telling Shira that I really love them because they remind me of an actual like chocolate bar, or even those little chocolates.
Like the cherry chocolate orange?
Yeah, super delicious.
Like.
So if you have a sweet tooth, you're going to love these bars. And what else do they have? They have coconut. I haven't tried it yet. The caramel is one of my favorites. I love the caramel. I haven't tried the double chocolate, but there's double chocolate. There's coconut, and there's lemon, and the new one that Shira said, what is it?
Blueberry cheesecake.
Blueberry cheesecake. And there's raspberry flavor.
And there's a chocolate brownie now, too.
Oh, is there? Yeah, there's so many flavors. So, okay, so which one are we opening?
We're opening the orange.
We're opening the orange, and we're going to show them how big they are. They're actually quite a nice size. Let's show you. Okay, here they are. Okay, it's a really nice size, and then we're going to open it up, okay? And we're going to share it and taste it because, you know, it's so yummy. And those people that are on WW, it's only
3 smart points.
3 smart points.
You heard it, guys.
I know.
3.
So, you know, you're going out, you're going to a movie. You can have a
Built Bar.
You're on your way home from work. You can have a
Built Bar.
You forget to eat breakfast. You can have a
Built Bar.
Right? So anytime. And keep it with you because, you know, honestly, it's always a great thing to have something with such high protein. What is it? 12 grams of protein? 15 grams. 15 grams of protein for something super delicious. Okay.
All right.
And honestly, we don't even work for Built Bar, but we're promoting it.
Not yet.
Not yet. We might work for Built Bars. Okay. We got to make sure that we're even. Okay. Because it's hard because we had it in the freezer. Okay. She wants that one. Okay. So this is it. Here it is, the middle of it. Okay, you can see it. And we're going to take a bite. Really? Oh my God. Really super delicious. These are so good. While you're watching TV, after a workout, Built Bar. Built Bar. So, order yours. Order your Built Bars. Go online. It's only in the States. They will ship them to Canada. We are Canadians. We're Canadians, Shira. She's too busy eating because she loves it so much. She's eaten most of hers, so now she's over at my house eating mine. Sharing is
Caring.
so, and we like to share. So we order the bars together. Get people, your peeps from WW. Even if you're not on WW, people, you're going to enjoy these Built bars, okay? She has to rush home to her child. That's why she's looking at the clock. She doesn't think I know what she's doing.
Intermittent fasting.
Intermittent
No,
fasting.
look at the time. We have to stop eating.
Oh, because we have intermittent fasting, guys. That's a whole other video. Check out my new video on intermittent fasting because so many people are asking me lots of questions. And like I always tell people, I may not be an expert, but I have experience. So check
Very
out that.
knowledgeable, this one.
Very knowledgeable,
Very
this
wise.
one. And
She's
check
got a
out
lot
my,
of years on her.
exactly. And check out all my videos. So again, order these. And they have great customer service. Tell them about the customer service.
Oh my goodness. Built Bar has the best customer service. As soon as they placed the order, I got an email right away. Thank you so much for your order. Da 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 da. Then my order is shipped. Email right away. Your order is shipped. If there's anything at all we can help you with, please let us know. Here's our direct contact number. When my order arrived, how did you like your Built Bars? The customer service out of this world.
Yeah. So use the code Risa and you'll get your discount. You're gonna love these chewy bars. They are super delicious and nutritious, as I said. High protein, low net carbs. Those people that are on a keto or a low carb diet, you can have this without guilt. And that's what we want. We want to be able to have things that we enjoy, that are tasty, that are a little sweet, because I have a sweet tooth. You probably have a sweet tooth and you'll really enjoy it. So don't forget to subscribe, all right, to Risa's Recipes. Tell everybody. They don't have to be a
Everyone.
WW member, okay? Ring the bell option so you get all my videos by email. Remember, if you want extra support and inspiration, my Facebook group, Weight Watcher Tips and Recipes by
Risa.
and my website, www.risaweiner.com. And you can find me on Instagram, Risa's Piece 8. So I'm out there, people. I love you. We're going to sign off. She's already eaten hers. I'm going to finish mine. She can't even talk because she's still chewing. It is super chewy. And enjoy your Built Bars.
Enjoy.
And don't forget to post, like, comment. Tell me what you think of my other videos, this video. I love seeing your posts on my group when you've taken pictures of my videos. And enjoy these bars. You won't regret it. You will love, love, love them.
Love
Mwah.
them.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Take care.